Osmo 360. First use. Attaching the battery and charging. Open the battery compartment cover. Make sure the battery is properly inserted. The camera has built-in storage and supports microSD cards for storage expansion. Slide the battery compartment cover until you hear a click. Open the USB-C port cover. Connect a USB-C charger to the USB-C port using the provided cable. When charging is complete, close the cover. You can place 3 batteries into the multifunctional battery case for simultaneous charging. Activation. Make sure to activate the camera using DJI Mic before first use. Press and hold the power button to power on the camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Scan the QR code to download and install the DJI Mic app. Run the app. Register your account, and then log in. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then click Connect on the corresponding device name. When the verification code appears, click Accept. Follow the prompts in the app to activate the camera. After successfully activating the camera, the app will display a prompt. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. Firmware update. Once connected, a prompt will appear in DJI Mic when new firmware is available. To ensure an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your camera to the latest firmware version immediately. Before an update, make sure the battery level is sufficient. On the home screen of the app, click Download and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. When the firmware is successfully updated, the camera will automatically restart and a prompt will appear telling you that the update has been successful. Button features. Press and hold the power button to power on/off. On first startup, the camera enters panoramic video mode. Slide in the center of the screen to adjust the view. Press the function button once to switch between front and rear views. Press twice to recenter the view. Tap the icon in the lower left corner to switch to single lens mode. Press the quick switch button once to enter the quick switch page for the current lens mode. Press again to cycle through preset shooting modes. Press the shutter or record button to take a photo or to start or stop recording. When the camera is powered off, press the shutter or record button once to quickly start shooting using the snapshot feature, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. The camera will automatically power off if left idle for 3 seconds. On the settings page, you can enable snapshot for the function button and set the shooting mode to use. Storage. After shooting, attach the rubber lens protector to the camera. The multifunctional battery case can store up to 3 batteries and 2 microSD cards. When the batteries are inserted into the battery case, it can also be used as a power bank to charge other devices, such as a smartphone.